Yo, what's up everyone? I am glad you clicked on this video. Today I want to show you how I look at meme coins because it's completely different from the usual trading mindset. Instead of trading and investing in random coins and hoping for profits, I focus on launching and building coins from the dev perspective. In my personal opinion, bro, deving meme coins has been far more profitable for me with way lower risk, and it's still being overlooked. Let me show you guys exactly the whole strategy from start to finish all in today's video. Deving meme coins is so freaking lucrative because I made over $8 million all from launching meme coins on Pump.Fun, bro. Keep watching, you do not want to miss this video. Now I'm going to drop some straight facts. Most people don't lose money in this space because they're careless. They lose because they choose to trade random coins. They buy in after the attention is already built in, and after a couple seconds, the person who created the coin exits into that demand and exits on all the fucking people. Now that's why more skilled traders and even me are shifting away from trading and going towards launching. It's honestly way less risky and high fucking rewarding, and honestly bro, it's way more enjoyable to dev meme coins than to trade them in 2026. Because when you trade meme coins, your capital and all your buys goes to the pockets of the creators, and that's a fact. But when you launch your own coin though, you are the one in control and you can do whatever the fuck you want with your coin. You can clip profits or you can just dump and repeat. Now, the strategy of making meme coins on chain is really fucking simple. We just find a narrative, create that coin for completely free because it costs nothing to make a coin. We launch it, we wait for buyers and for apers to come in naturally, and when the market cap and the volume is high, we just, dump it, and then we rinse and repeat that strategy. You can do it over and over again, but I would highly recommend to do it just a bit a day. Do not get too greedy. And that's exactly how I built my entire crypto portfolio from A to fucking Z, no cap. So keep watching because I'm about to show you how to launch your very first token and how it could potentially turn into gains. Obviously bro, I do not sell a course, and this video is for educational purposes only, so please bro, do not copy me, do your own research. It's all fake, it's all AI cap. Now when someone starts considering launching their first meme coin in this space, the platform they almost instantly think about to launch a meme coin is Pump.Fun. I'm pretty sure most of you guys know this launchpad. It's the most widely known option, so it feels like the most natural place to begin with. But that's where people make mistakes and where problem starts. Pump.Fun is overflowing with new tokens. A bunch of tokens are launched non-stop and most of them get no traction, they just get left in the dark. If you're still launching there bro, you're not really building anything, you are just launching a meme coin and hoping for your coin to go viral. And there's an even bigger issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool of your coin and takes a cut from your creator fees. So from the very beginning of your launch, you are giving up control of your own meme coin, and that is bad as a dev. Now, the real objective is getting your token in front of the Raydium DEX and for your coin to migrate, and as we know, okay, on Pump.Fun bro, that will take too long and it will depend heavily on luck. That's why I use create meme.io to make my personal meme coins, because this launchpad fixes all of those problems and launches every single meme coin directly on Raydium. Immediately bro, it will skip the entire bonding curve progress and it will level up to Raydium, where real people and real traders are actually looking to buy your coin, okay? Thousands of people are going to see your coin and you will have a massive edge over every single other dev that are launching on other platforms like Pump.Fun. That's exactly why people are gatekeeping this launchpad. Now, to make your first token on create meme.io bro, it's actually simpler to do it than to say it, but you have two different ways to make a meme coin. The first way is, the default way, and that's to create a coin from scratch. So for this method bro, you have to go on X or on Reddit or on Google News, right? Look for an article, look for a viral tweet, look for a meme, right? Look for anything viral that could be turned into a meme coin, then come back to create meme, invent a name, add a quick symbol, add a quick logo for that coin, and then it's live custom made. But I like to use the copy trending coins tab, and that will lead to the second method, bro. In my opinion, it's the most profitable method. Why? Because all these coins are going viral, they all have a goddamn good narrative, and they're all getting a lot of volume on Pump.Fun as we speak. So the whole point of this feature is to copy a coin that is already working, relaunch it onto Raydium, and then bag a bunch of new buyers and possibly surpass the coin that you copied. Most people call this vamping, but I would do an example to show you how it's done. Anyways, now it's time to deploy a token on the blockchain and see how much we can make. You have to pay attention to the next 5 minutes of this video, bro. It will be the most important to watch because you will see everything happen right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected right, just like this. Boom, it's simple as that. Click on refresh to have all the new fresh coins show up, and then look for a coin to copy, bro. I'm gonna copy the green coin. It looks kind of decent, right? Let me just click on refresh once again. Okay, I'm gonna copy the green coin. Okay, click on copy to Raydium. Your Phantom wallet should pop up. Ignore the warning from Phantom, it's completely normal. Okay, every single beginner for every single launchpad will get a first warning. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin will be vamped. Okay, give it like 10 to 5 seconds. Boom. If we go on SoScan, right, we can see that it is on chain. 10 seconds ago, everything works. It's all minted. Now it's time to create our liquidity pool. Now this page is really easy. We're basically adding liquidity here so that people can buy in the coin and sell it on Raydium instantly. This is what makes your token tradable. Without this step right here, well, nobody will be able to buy your coin. So token A is where we set our liquidity. Click on 90%. That will drop 900 million tokens for coins. Token B is where you input your first buy into your own coin. You are not losing this Solana. The minimum you should lose is 0.3 SOL, and that amount stays tied to your liquidity. And later on, when you remove the liquidity, it will come back in your Phantom wallet. So it's completely fucking normal. Okay, you are the creator of the coin. You control everything, so you will get it back. Click on put 0.3, and then click on create pool. Wait for your Phantom wallet to pop up. Click on proceed, confirm, I understand, confirm. After that, bro, when that is done, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the green coin is now live, and your profits at any given moment will show up right there. And if you want to check your profits, right, click on this button right here for a second time, which will refresh the pools. And bang, we're up $100 already within a couple seconds because people are liking the narrative and they're aping in. That is normal. It could be also snipers, it could be anything. Click on view on photon to see the chart. Let me go on F11 for full screen to see the coin. Let's fucking go. And bang, now the coin is live. As you guys can see, bro, we are getting transactions, 1.2k market cap. It is going down, but do not worry about it. Boom, we are getting a lot of fucking oh my god, bro, we just got like $100 worth of buys. This is what I'm talking about, bro. Deving meme coins is way fucking more profitable than trading, for the simple fact that this coin costed us $0. And if you pair this with fucking create meme.io and Raydium, bro, it's actually fucking insane. And also, bro, deving meme coins is really untapped, so that's why it's so good at the moment in 2026. $42, $23, bro. I would highly recommend to start deving. Okay, on the spot, we're getting a lot of fucking views, a bunch of attention, because our narrative is good since we copied it. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to fucking pump and for it to marinate. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a $4,000 market cap. Okay, I do not want to be too greedy, bro. I'm gonna take my profits casually, so come back to fucking create meme.io whenever you want. And obviously, bro, we are going to hit a classic refresh. And okay, we're up decent bread, 1.7k, which is not too shabby. And when you are ready, bro, click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, then wait for Phantom White to pop up real quick. And as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive 17.6. So around there, click on confirm. And bang! That's exactly how you do it, bro. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, okay, because a bunch of you guys do not believe me, boom, 17 so went in my Phantom wallet, bro. It does fluctuate, so we received 17.3 so. It changes every single second, but bam! That's exactly how you do it, bro. Deving meme coins is really fucking underrated. Most people do not even consider the option of making coins, but yeah, bro, you've seen it with your own eyes. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description. Join my Discord, join my Telegram if you want to contact me. Peace out.